Will Young has announced his greatest hit tour, and we can't wait to get our hands on tickets. Tickets are on sale now, and here's everything you need to know if you want to snap up a pair. The tour will play a number of venues across the UK next October and November, and is a must-see for fans of the pop superstar. Get Will Young tickets, click here. Tickets are available to buy from AXS and Ticketmaster, but don't hang about as these tickets are sure to sell fast. Tickets will go on sale October 29th at 9 a.m. Posting to Twitter, Will said, "I am thrilled to announce my #Will Young #20 Years Tour and Greatest Hits album. 2022 is the 20th anniversary since you voted for me as the original winner of Pop Idol, for which I'm forever grateful." He added, "It's only thanks to you all that I've been able to carry on doing what I love most, which is writing/recording music and performing live. I've spent the last few months planning how to mark 2022 in the biggest way possible, and top of the list had to be an anniversary tour. Will Young 2022 UK dates: July 8th, Kew Gardens, London, click here. October 12th, SEC Armadillo, Glasgow, click here. October 13th, Barbican, York, click here. October 15th, Symphony Hall, Birmingham, click here. October 16th, Usher Hall, Edinburgh, click here. October 18th, O2 City Hall, Newcastle, click here. October 19th, Winter Gardens, Blackpool, click here. October 21st, Bonus Arena, Hull, click here. October 22nd, O2 Apollo, Manchester, click here. October 24th, City Hall, Sheffield, click here. October 25th, Philharmonic, Liverpool, click here. October 26th, New Theatre, Oxford, click here. October 28th, Regent, Ipswich, click here. October 29th, Cliffs Pavilion, Southend, click here. October 31st, Princess Theatre, Torquay, click here. November 1st, Guildhall, Portsmouth, click here. November 3rd, St David's Hall, Cardiff, click here. November 4th, Pavilion Theatre, Bournemouth, click here. November 5th, Brighton Centre, click here. November 7th, Royal Concert Hall, Nottingham, click here. November 8th, Bath Forum, click here. November 10th, Swansea Arena, click here. November 11th, The Palladium, London, click here. Will perform all his biggest hits and favorite songs across his career, including Evergreen, Light My Fire, Jealously, and new hits All the Songs, Daniel, and more. The new tour coincides with the release of new album 20 Years The Greatest Hits, and eager fans who pre-order the album will be able to get exclusive access to a ticket pre-sale for the tour through Will Young's official store from October 27th at 9 a.m. Want to go see Will on tour? So do we. Here's everything you need to know. How to get Will Young tickets. Fancy going to see Will on tour? Luckily for you, the Pop Idol superstar has announced a greatest hits tour, and tickets are available from Ticketmaster and AXS. Tickets will go on sale October 29th at 9 a.m., so set those alarms now. How much are Will Young tickets? Ticket prices have yet to be released, but we'll keep this page updated when we know more. Ticket prices are released for his Cue the Music show next July, where you can snap up tickets from £54.13. How to get Will Young pre-sale tickets. If you can't wait till Friday, those who pre-order the album will be able to get exclusive access to a ticket pre-sale for the tour through Will Young's official store from October 27 at 9 a.m. You can do so here. Duran Duran will also play BST Hyde Park and you can get tickets here. Read more about festivals and music tours on The Sun here. Want to see Steps on tour? You can get tickets here. If you click on a link in this story, we may earn affiliate revenue.